Oh man, what did we get ourselves into today? Project number 3, it's on. Back to my channel and welcome to another cleaning video. I am actually really excited about this one today because not only am I cleaning, but I'm also going to be decorating and organizing this room. So today we are going to be putting together my pool house, she shed, back house. I don't really know what to call it. It's actually like a really cute little back house that came with our house. Let me show you guys from a distance. See what I mean? It's super, super cute. I have so many ideas for this in the future. Eventually, I think I want to make it into a bar. But for now, we got to just get it together. Since we moved in, I've just kind of thrown things in here. As you can see, we got towels, we got floaties, we got chairs, we have a tree, we have a mirror. Like, I have an idea of what I want to do at the moment. I just gotta do it. And I figured I'd bring you guys along the way. You guys have given me such great feedback on my last cleaning videos and you guys want more, so I figured this would be a fun project to do. And on top of that, I'll show you guys how to decorate a small space with existing decor that I already have. So a lot of pieces that I'm gonna be using to decorate this room are from my other house, so it's kind of nice because I didn't have to buy anything new. I think it'd be really fun just to show you guys how it goes down in here. If you guys are into this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get organizing. Are you gonna help me today, babe?
Of course.
Can you make me a michelada?
Of course.
Can you get started?
Of course.
Can you put some music on?
Of course.
I can't stand you. I just want to know who told me to wear sweats in 80-degree weather. I'm already committed. I haven't shaved, so we're staying in this. So before we get started, I want to give you guys an idea of how it looks in here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we just kind of throw things in here. It's kind of been our little storage for the outdoor items. Not as bad as other places in my house been, like my bathroom and my beauty room, but it just needs to find a home. So I'm gonna start out by pulling everything out so we can dust things off, clean them off, and then start sweeping and cleaning in here. Sebastian just came over here, surprised me with the drink. What's in this, sir?
This is, I believe it's called Sangria Señorial. It's like a sangria soda. And I just cut up some lemons, squeeze them in there, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of tahini. Very refreshing.
Oh, I was expecting some tequila or something. Oh my God.
Told you. Guys, if you know, you know.
This is so good. Look, you did it.
Don't ever doubt me.
This is good. You know what kind of tastes like tejuino a little bit.
Kinda.
Is it the
It's like the same. I think it gives you the same vibe. It's my mom's favorite drink. You can literally ask her. It's sangria, but it's in a soda, no alcohol.
Are you over the sun? Are you over it? Are you over it, Ollie? You guys, they are over it. Damn, looks like a yard sale going on over here. So here is an update on the room. We've moved everything out. Floors are clean, swept. I cleaned a little bit around the windows, but I still gotta do a little more. And then I'm currently tackling down the bathroom. One thing I really love about having this back house is that we have a pool right there. So pool parties, people gotta go bathroom right here. It's like meant to be. And then something too that I don't think I showed you guys in the home vlog, but I wanna show you guys right now that I think is the coolest thing is this outdoor shower. We have literally an outdoor shower, which I think is so, so cool. So we have it right here. We gotta clean up over here as well. I was telling Sebastian we need to get a rug beater. I've never even knew what that was until like we were trying to sacudir our rug today. And I have this right here. I don't think you guys ever seen the little shout packs. You wipe off, like take off a little stain. This is like the heavy duty economy size. Check that out right here. So this is going to pretty much take away manchitas, spills, whatever you have. We actually don't have much, and I feel but I'm gonna spray a little bit, and it says in the back that you have to let it sit for like 1 to 5 minutes. It's so little that I'm just gonna work it, you know. I feel like that made a difference. These are good to have on Amazon, but I just carry a bunch of these just because I don't want to reuse the one I clean the toilet with to clean the chair, you know? So it's always good to have a couple of them, but I'm just wiping everything down. For one, I think it's good. That shall dry. It'll take a few minutes, but it'll dry. Now the next one. We got story time on this one. This one is kind of in through. That's my face right there. So this one, I don't know if Sebas can recall this night, but we got home from a party and we got locked out of the house. We had nowhere to go. It was like 4 o'clock in the morning. It was super cold. As you can tell, I'm still mad. Sebas lost the keys. We couldn't find the keys anywhere. We got dropped to find an Uber, so we couldn't get into the house. We had to actually come in here and sleep in here for the night. Thank God there was a heater, and thank God there was a chair and towels, so I made myself a little bed, but that's my face from the night. 4 o'clock in the morning, or actually no, at 6 o'clock in the morning, he checks his cargo pockets. I guess there was one pocket below, and the keys were in there. Hi, Sebas. I'm gonna get a lint brush, and I'm just gonna roll off what I can't get off, because some of this stuff is like from the tree. I don't know how the tree stuff got on here, but it just did. You can see it just takes off the lint, especially if you're working with like a light fabric. You want to make sure that you don't have those little stains. All right, we're gonna see if this actually works on the real test, because this is like long wearing makeup. We have some bronzer, eyeshadow, some mascara, possibly my lips right there. We don't know what's there. Did a good amount? I think so.
More right here. Let that sit for about 5 minutes and we'll come back with the results. Thank you.
Sebastian's gonna wipe it down with his manly force.
It's just gonna take one wipe.
Okay, let's see. Una tallita.
The whole purpose is knowing how to fold your towel.
Una tortilla.
Ready?
Moment of truth.
Not a lot of people know the secret. In order to take the perfect mancha off, haz de cuenta que te vas a limpiar el culo. Get all that caca off. Oh shit.
Almost. I'll do a little more.
It's only one wipe. You gotta let this one sit for another 3 minutes.
I mean, that was really good and very impressive for this makeup being here for at least, what, 3 months now?
Yeah.
The power Sebas has.
Go.
Whew.
Dang, took it off.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Any more down here? We good.
Because I can still see a little bit.
So I'm gonna clean off my fake fiddle. I think this one, I'm gonna put it in the corner by the TV. I think we need like some greenery over there. Green's always good, and you guys know I'm not very well with plants. All my plants are fake except like 2 in the house. Like this, a real one would die, absolutely die.
Absolutely.
I think I'm gonna do this one where it needs to pop. See, it doesn't really go there. But too like, yeah, it's weird. Nothing's working. I really wanted it there, but truly I think it's gonna be better right here. Or
You already moved it to every corner.
I know, that's the last option. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let me see. Can you step out of the way, sir? See, okay, this is the thing about decorating. You have to move the big pieces in first and then decorate after. The biggest mistake I've made, like with furnishing apartments or rooms, is buying accessories before buying the big pieces. The 2 chairs, I hope work. So those are gonna work in here. I'm just gonna move them around. But then after that, it's just doing the furnishes and the touches, which we have a lot here. So I don't know how it's gonna go. Ready?
Go.
I ain't playing with you anymore.
Dang, that's crazy. It completely took it off.
And that was long wearing. That clearly held for months. All right, well, let's go to move these.
Obviously, it looks like a big mancha, but once that dries up,
Yeah.
it'll even itself out.
Alright, so I finished off the bathroom counter with these lanterns right here. I think these actually look so pretty right here, especially because it is an outdoor bathroom. So people are going to be in here, we're going to have parties at night, whatever it is, I can throw candles on and it creates a vibe, you know what I mean? I also added some hand soap, and then as you guys saw, I added all of our tanning and sunblock lotions right here. So I have that in there, we have a trash can, we have a little plant, and next I need to find how I'm going to decorate the walls. I have these really cute frames upstairs that I'm going to be using to frame on this wall, and I'm going to do something right here. I don't know what. I need to brainstorm and think about it overnight, what's going to happen to the wall situation, but in the morning I wake up, we're going to touch back to the bathroom area. I'm now going to go ahead and fill under here with all the beach towels. We did add our mirror back. This one is from CB2. We've had it since our first apartment. It's a really good mirror, so we decided to add it here to kind of fill in this space, but I think eventually here I'm gonna add shelves. Like I said, do the big stuff first and then circle back to the little things later. But what I am gonna do is add a basket right there. So I have this one from HomeGoods. Got this a long time ago, and I actually had a plant in here before. It looks really cute to put your plants inside, but the plant that was here is way too big, so we're gonna leave it like that for now. Maybe in the future we'll add some white or neutral towels. Like I need any more towels? I don't think I do, but you know, aesthetically it'll look better. There we have it for that corner and over here. And now we're gonna go ahead and put all of this away. Here is a storage box filled up. This is perfect to have outside, especially if you have like floaties or just like outdoor things that you need. So this is pretty cool. And we store this on the side of the house just so it's not in the way because it's kind of bulky. But what's cool is that if you have this in your backyard and let's say you don't have like an area for it, you can actually use it as a bench to sit down or even as a coffee table. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna hang up on the wall this really cute piece I got from Shop Gitana. I thought it was just super cute and would love to see it right there, especially because the wall is kind of big. I wanted to fill it up with something different other than just frames, something a little bit more unique, and felt this is it. Shout out to that HomeGoods ladder. Oh, this looks so cute right there. It actually looks like it fills in the spot perfectly. For now, I think this looks really good. So here is the finished look on the back house. I think it came out so cute. As I mentioned, I'm not fully done decorating it. This is just for now. I think we're on to a good start. My brain can no longer figure out what to do, so I think I'm gonna let it rest tonight, maybe pick up in the morning. And I do really love how this area came out over here. It's definitely a moment. I don't know if that's gonna be there forever, but for now, it looks really nice and cute. And if you guys are wondering where the Fiddle went, I put her outside. She's fake, she'll survive. But I think it looks good right there. That's a nice pop of color. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to my help over there. High five. Love you, appreciate you. We gotta go ahead and move all this stuff in the garage and inside the house. We're done over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this off and we will see you next time. Wait, that didn't go as planned. Wow, I've never seen it so clean.